Have you ever been broke before payday? Maybe your rent is due, you have an unexpected bill that just showed up from nowhere, or even your salary, maybe it's just not enough to survive you throughout the month. The good news is that there are legit loan apps in Nigeria that can give you a quick loan without collateral in this 2026. But here is the problem. Not every loan app is safe for you. Because I bring out this does not mean it is safe. So you have to do your own research. Some of these loan apps have very crazy interest rates. Others will disturb your content if you do not pay your loan on time. So in this video, I will show you some of the best loan apps for a salary earner like yourself if you're watching this video as a Nigerian in 2026. I'll also tell you which of these apps I'm going to be showing you or listing for you has no collateral, have fast approval, flexible repayment period, and the ones that are very trusted. I will also advise you to watch this video to the end to avoid any mistakes before you come and say Susan told you to go and do this. Susan did not tell you. Susan said watch the video to the end. So before downloading any of these loan apps, there are some important things I would like you to note before downloading any of them. The first is the interest rates. You need to take note of that. The next is your repayment period. The next is the speed of approval if they have any. The next is their reputation with their customers. It is very important. Go and check reviews. Because I'm bringing it here does not mean that these people are very good. I'm just bringing it because they fit into the search requirement for most of my viewers, but do your research. So before you take up any loan, always remember that fast money is very good. You guys know this. Fast money is good, but repayment terms can create a bigger financial problems for you later if you do not plan well. So let's go on to today's video. The first loan app on my list is FairMoney. FairMoney is one of the best loan app when it comes to loaning in 2026. Many salary earners like this loan app because it has a very fast approval rate. If you have not checked FairMoney, please go and download the app. You do not have to take up a loan with them right away. Just go and download the app. You do not need a collateral to take up a loan with them. Their loan limits can increase over time with your good repayment history. So according to loan app reviews that I have checked, FairMoney offers a flexible repayment option and a quick disbursement for eligible users if you are eligible. But please, before you do any of these things, as a new user, please start with a smaller amount before you graduate. Watch how you pay back. If you don't know how to pay back, don't go for large amounts. The second loan app on my list is Carbon. I talk about Carbon. I love Carbon. I see, if you go on Google Play Store, you know why I love Carbon. Carbon is more than just a loan app. It also works like a digital banking app. This is the reason why I love it. And one reason many salary earners can use Carbon is because it offers loan. You can pay your bill on Carbon. You can make transfers on Carbon, which most app does. You can track your credit history on Carbon. So you see why I love this app. This app rewards responsible borrowers, and it's very good. They have a better loan limit. They have a lower interest rate. They improve repayment flexibility over time. So let me know, have you ever used Carbon before? If you have, share your experience with us in the comment section. The next on my list is Branch. Branch is another strong option when you want to take up a loan. Branch is popular because it is simple. It has a very simple process, no paperwork, no collateral, and their approval can happen very quickly according to reviews. So one thing I've learned about Branch is that when it comes to borrowing, they use your financial behavior and your transaction patterns to assess your borrowing instead of the traditional collateral system. So if you are borrowing, you're paying back. If you're borrowing, you're paying back. They will assess it and it will make that decision very fast. One thing about Branch, I would recommend it for first-time borrowers. If you're a first-time borrower, I would recommend you try Branch first before you move on to others. If you're a salary earner, try Branch. If you need small emergency loan, try Branch. So remember, short repayment periods can become very, very stressful if you are very careless, especially those of you that will go and take up loan and say you pay back in 1 week. What if you don't get that money in 1 week? Or what if something else comes up and you need to do that thing and you have to pay back that loan in 1 week? Or if you say 1 month and then you are unable unable to make that money back in 1 month, so you go and take 100,000 naira loan and you're unable to pay back in 1 month, it can stress you financially. So be very mindful of that. The next on my list is Aella Credit. Now, this app is good for salary earners, and a lot of them actually prefer this app. So according to loan comparison platform that I checked, Aella is commonly recommended for professionals and salary earners because of the repayment structure and a higher possibility or a higher possible limit for qualified users. Please go and check it out. The next on my list is QuickCheck and PalmCredit. These two are similar. You can also check their apps. So these apps are popular for fast approval, small emergency loans, beginner-friendly application services, and I've checked a lot of loan review platforms, especially this year 2026, and a lot of people have mentioned these two platforms, that's PalmCredit and QuickCheck. These two platforms do not need collateral from you in order to grant you a loan. But I would also advise you to please go onto their website and read. Please, I am not a financial advisor. I am here to give you these options so that you can narrow your list down. Please seek your financial advisor for any financial advice you need. I am begging you. One thing that I would like to tell you, it is very important to know before taking up any loan, borrow only what you need and only what you can pay back. Read the interest rate properly before you take up any loan. Avoid borrowing too much of money from multiple loan apps. This one can break you down. And also be careful with the apps that will harass your contacts because you are owing them. So one thing I know is that a loan should solve a temporary problem for you and not to create a bigger one for you. In as much as I bring out these topics for you guys, I will also want you to be a very responsible loaner. Don't go and take up loan to go and throw a party. There are some people that throw lavish parties, and when you check, they do not have that money. They are servicing loans because they want to live up to a particular level of lifestyle. You go and be taking up loan. That one is your business. So by the time you're done taking up that loan, you have done that party, you'll be the one to suffer the consequences. Nobody. The people that attended that party for you will not suffer the consequences. If you want to take up a loan for emergency, it's good. If you want to take up a loan to pay school fees, it's good. If you want to take up a loan to buy a car, it's good, because a car in Nigeria is not a liability. It is a necessity. If you want to take up a loan to buy a house, it is good. If you want to take up a loan for emergency, like somebody is sick in your family, it is good. But if you want to take up a loan to buy a wig, if you want to take up a loan to change your wardrobe, if you want to take up a loan to change the furnitures in your house, if you want to take up a loan to improve your lifestyle, Oga, you are doing yourself. Madam, you are doing yourself. So in conclusion, if you're a salary earner in Nigeria looking for quick loans without collaterals, these apps I have mentioned for you are your go-to. We have FairMoney, we have Carbon, we have Branch, we have Aella Credit, we have QuickCheck, and we have PalmCredit. Please go onto their website and check. And these apps are amongst the most talked about apps in Nigeria this 2026. And before we go, I'll also like you to remember that the best loan is the one that you can comfortably repay back. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so whenever I drop a video like this, YouTube will notify you. And on this channel, we talk about loan apps, remote jobs, side hustles, smart money tips for Nigerians, you and I, business options for you if you are a business owner or you have money that you want to start something for yourself. This channel is for you. So you guys, I'll see you on the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.